Kiwi eating his berries. Blackberry, raspberries, strawberries, and blueberry. And he really, oh, with chia seed and flaxseed as well. Is that good, Kiwi? Is that good, Kiwi?
Good girl, Dad. Come on. Nice. It's okay. It's alright. Come on.
This is Kiwi, our green chick conure. He's 2 years old. And he loves his berries. He makes a big, big mess. But it's okay. Sometimes he even closes his eyes when he eats it. Yummy.
Get me the spoon.
Hi, Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. Is that good, Kiwi? He even lifts his little foot and eats on one, stands on one just to eat his berries. We also have plastic ones. We just acquired or got a double yellow Amazon parrot. That used to be my husband's parrot. His mom's parrot when he was a little baby. And she passed away a few years ago, and his dad passed away in December. So now my husband took off on Saturday morning and came back Monday morning with Becky. She's part of our family. We're glad that she's back with the family. And she's 45 years old, and she's trying to learn. She's been neglected and abused by my husband's dad, and she's just scared. And we took her to go get her beak done because it was so severely overgrown, and somebody cut it and they cut it squared, and she couldn't really eat, so she's weak, and it seems that she has arthritis. So Kiwi's done eating his berries, but he'll go back to it. Let's take you to Becky real quick. Sorry guys, my husband's trying to give her some strawberries. Get her to start eating fresh food. And she wants to. She's just scared. This is Becky. She's 45 years old. We just took her on Monday after a big, long trip. Not even a few hours later after my husband arrived with her, we took her to go get her beak done because she was having trouble eating, and we wanted to make sure she starts, getting some strength and, start being loved and taken care of like she should. So we got our Supreme rainbow pellets, and we're trying to get her to eat those. Try to give her less seeds and nuts, but she's 45 years old, so it's gonna take a while.
Blueberry? Huh? You wanna try it? Huh? You wanna try it? No? That's good.
And her beak still needs more maintenance, but the young
fall
lady
asleep
that
over
was working on, trimming the beak took about 25 minutes, and Becky gets tired, and we didn't want to get her more stressed out besides the long trip home here to Arizona from, well, touristic Arizona. That's a long trip. So, but it was an emergency. Her beak was really, really, really bad.
No?
It still needs more trimming, but at least she's able to eat more.
Some right on her food.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Well, I would just put the dish inside where her seeds are.
Well, I was just gonna stick, if I stick some of this on her seed, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Then when she's gonna get the taste of this, and then she might want it.
Okay. That's fine.
And then if not, then tomorrow we can
try again.
Take it out and then try something else.
Okay.
Just take it in a couple.
We've been trying to give her blackberries, blueberries, raspberry, and a strawberry with chia seed and flaxseed. But she's just scared.
Hey,
everything's new to her.
Hey, come here, old lady. Come on.
She wants to taste it. She's just scared.
Well, she got some on her beak, so she's tasting it. And we get that off like a toddler. Let me clean the beak. Okay.
It's okay, Becky.
It's all right. You see that one feather right there?
Yeah.
You need to pull that one, okay?
And she already pulled one earlier. I mean, she has. Who knows how long that her beak was, overgrown, that she wasn't able to eat well. She wasn't able to preen herself, So.
I'm just gonna stick a little bit of this. Hey, chill out.
It's okay, Becky.
I'm gonna take a little bit, this little piece of strawberry.
Yeah, because you want to try fresh strawberry. Okay. You just don't get the whipped cream no more, okay? No more cupcakes and cookies. No more garbage. You're going to start eating healthy, and maybe she'll gain some strength and her... It's okay, sweetheart.
Blueberry. Okay?
Yeah. We'll keep trying. She's 45 years old, so she's set in her ways. It's okay, Becky. So we're going to try to give her the best life that we can give her. And that's all we can do is love her and take care of her and nurture her and bring her back to health.
And that's the part that was broken.
And it seems that when we took her to go get her grooming and her beak done, it seems like her wing was broken and she wasn't taken to the vet. And it self-healed, but it didn't heal correctly. So you can see right here, Yes. No, you won't have to worry about nobody hurting you ever again. Ever. Okay, Becky? And she can talk. She can say a few words, but she's shy. She's scared. So, this is Becky. She's 45 years old. And she's my husband's childhood bird that his mom had. And we just got her back. And we're very, very happy to have her back in our family where she belongs. And she's going to be loved and taken care of.
She ready to go night?
She looks tired.
Yeah, she looks.
You look very tired, Becky. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys updated on her progress. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.